Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? I don't know. You're looking for.
Going to buy our lettuce, we decided to plant our own. So we have our nifty biodegradable cups here and some potting soil.
These are our seeds, southern exposure.
Lettuce seeds.
Yeah,
So basically just add a little bit of potting soil to our here. And then we just put like a little hole area.
a little hole in the middle.
Alright, so we got a good amount of lettuce seeds in there. And we might put a little bit more dirt on top. We're just gonna add a little bit of water.
Purified water.
Perfect. We don't want it to be too soggy, but we want it to be moist. It might be a good idea when we get home to poke some holes in the bottom and keep it in a sunny place. So there we go.
We should be like next week.